Hello everyone, today we are going to understand about quadrilaterals. Yes, we are going to do some activities and these activities are going to help us remember the properties of quadrilaterals. So let's begin. First of all, you need to have a piece of paper, fold it into 6 equal parts. First I have folded it into 3 equal parts. Now give it another fold and you have got 6 equal parts. I'll tell you later what we are going to do with this, but now let's begin our properties of quadrilaterals. Now take up a square grid, draw 2 lines which have equal length and they bisect each other at 90 degrees. So let us draw the first line. I am going to draw a line equal to 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now I want to draw another line which is perpendicular to this line and which itself also gets bisected and bisects this line also. So let me draw another line. Bisect means that it's going to be divided into equal parts. So 3 units this side and 3 units this side. So now if you see carefully, both these lines are bisecting each other at 90 degree because this angle is 90 degree and this 3 units, 3 units, 3 units, 3 units. Now the next thing is that we are going to join the end points. Just join the end points and see what you get. Yes, this is a quadrilateral. Now we have to write down its properties and give it a name. So here I am going to bring the paper which I divided into 6. I am going to bring the paper which I divided into 6 equal parts in the beginning. So we are going to use this one. Now this is our first quadrilateral and let's look at its sides. Let's measure its sides. It's roughly around 4.5. Let's measure all the sides. 4.5, 4.5, 4.5. So this particular quadrilateral has all the sides equal. So I am going to write on my paper that the sides of this quadrilateral are equal. Now let's look at the vertex angles of this quadrilateral. Now if you see carefully, this particular square, this angle in a square like this one, let's measure it using our protractor. So we are going to measure the vertex angles. So here I am going to put it here, the protractor here. It's 90 degree. It's again 90 degree. 90 degree. 90 degree. So that means the vertex angles are 90 degrees. So now let's look at the diagonals. Diagonals we constructed in the beginning and we know that the length of the diagonals is equal. So we can write using a different pen. Diagonals are equal. Okay, and what about how they behave with each other? So they are bisecting each other. So we'll write diagonals bisect each other. What else do we know about diagonals? Yes, they bisect each other at 90 degree. So these are the 4 properties of this quadrilateral which we have figured out. So children, now I am going to tell you the name of this quadrilateral. The name of this quadrilateral is square. In my eyes, it is a perfect gentleman. See, all the sides are equal, vertex angles are 90 degree, diagonals are equal, diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So this one is a square. Now I have left a lot of space below this, and we have a lot of space here, which we are going to fill in our next videos. We are going to write all the quadrilaterals like this and fill all this white space. So if you like this video and you understand the concept, do not forget to watch the next video. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.